What?
What is this? Where's your opinion?
Sorry.
I don't get it. Get
What?
Why do I want your trash?
It's not trash.
What? Should I open it? Oh. Reservation. What did you get us? Are you kidding me?
Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
What is it?
Tonight Show with Jay Leno.
Yeah.
How did you do that? When did you do that?
4 weeks ago.
Really? How'd you know I wasn't going to plan anything? Until the night before.
That's why I didn't want you to get too into your exploring Los Angeles.
So what do we do? Oh my gosh. Alright, 4 p.m. Not our morning still open. Is it real?
Yeah.
Mm.